imjustdylz. Today I've been invited down to Tulleys Shocktober Fest by Tulleys Farm and Ed Hopkins PR for their content creator evening. We come every year and it's honestly the highlight of the year. I can't wait to get back inside some of my favourite mazes and experience the new ones here at Tulleys Farm. Without further ado, let's go and get scared in some of the mazes. Yeah.
Memories?
And we're not messing about because we're already going into our first maze, which is the Cellar Imprisoned. It's fully indoors, so it doesn't really matter about the light outside. We're gonna get into the cellar and you guys are gonna come with me. In we go. Yes! Oh my gosh, already! This is horrible! Oh my god! That's not nice. I'm kind of going through like clues right now. Oh my god. I don't like this. Just like every other year, the cellar was amazing, but we're now heading further into Tulleys and we're going into Wastelands Penitentiary, which is the prison theme maze here at Tulleys. I'm so excited and I just can't wait to get inside of Wastelands. Oh my god, they're everywhere! We are everywhere! We're just on your start, boy! Keep on moving! Oh my gosh!
What she wants and she's been waiting!
No, I'm not! Oh my...
I'll get you! Oh, you can be my friends, can you?
Oh my gosh!
Faster! Faster! I told you! No need to be scared! Come on! Only take little bites!
It's so loud! We don't want you here anymore! Fucking hell! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro, that was mad.
That was really good.
That was so good. I just got chased at the end with like an air cannon gun. That was so good.
That's what makes us a little bit weird, you see.
We're about to head into Electric Circus. I'm really actually excited for this. I really like clown mazes. I'm not too scared of clowns, but I think they're quite fun, and a lot of people are scared of clowns. But I cannot wait to get inside of Electric Circus, so let's go. Oh my god, they're so creepy. There are like clowns just like everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so disorientating. Whoa. The fact this feeling makes it so much worse. I hate these so much. Whoa, you wanted to go big. What a maze! Brilliant! Electric Circus was really, really good. It was different to Twisted Clowns 3D. The theme was completely different, but still a very good quality maze. And while we're down this end of Tulleys, we're going to do Chop Shop Garage, which is just amazing. It's just chainsaw heaven. If you don't like chainsaws, then you're going to hate this maze. But we're about to head inside, so let's go.
My daddy didn't say we were getting here.
Come on! I do. I'm first. I don't want to be first. Oh, you're going first. Bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, we're outside. Come on, boy. Yeah, right. I fought He's following me. This is basically Chainsaw Rally. Oh my god! Oh my god! Chainsaws everywhere! I see you in here! That was so good. So we're here at Doomtown and the queue line is a graveyard. We are walking through a graveyard themed queue line. This is incredible.
I love this so much. They're like actual, like, rock.
We're outside in like an alleyway in the 80s. This is incredible. Oh my god. The smell pot in here is incredible. Oh my god, that is disgusting. That is so grim. Oh my god. Ah! Woo! This is insane. Swimming in this maze is crazy. I feel like I'm in the 80s in a completely different world. Blood. I literally can't see anything. It's a coffin. We're going into Blockbuster. I really wish you guys could see what I'm seeing right now. The theming here is ridiculous. We're in a pub. Do you want a nail? Into the cinema we go. Oh, that's not nice. Hello? Oh my god, that's so loud. Oh my god! There are literal zombies everywhere! I literally cannot just explain what we've been through. Doomtown is like nothing I've ever experienced before. It's literally like walking through a movie set. We were transported into the 80s and the whole time you feel fully immersed in this kind of world. Incredible. I've never experienced anything like it, but Tulleys, you've done it. And now we're about to head on to the haunted hayride. This is my favorite thing here at Tulleys. You ready, Paul?
Yeah. Trailer loaded and action.
So the haunted hayride was really, really good this year, but unfortunately, because we're not allowed to use lights because the actors actually get on the hayride with you, I couldn't film much. So we've just been gifted the CarnEVIL Coaster. It's normally £7 a person. Pretty excited up here for the CarnEVIL Coaster. Oh, here we go. Great done that. Oh my god! What? Gotcha! Was that good or what? That was absolutely amazing! Come down and enjoy it! Great fun! You keep my money, but you get away. I wanna eat your freaks every day. It's a hog roast. I'm gonna go scrun a hog roast quick. I just got a mouthful of bread. I get this once a year from Matt's Delicious Hog Roast, and it is so good. Paul had a chicken burger, was it nice?
It was very good to be fair, it was very expensive, it was $8.50.
Leah had the vegan chicken burger. They've got a fully vegan stall here, so if you are vegan or vegetarian, it's all good. The prices are relative for the kind of event. We are now heading to the creepy cottage because we've heard it's actually got no queue.
Oh, this corridor is very big. Oh my lord. It's too quiet, I don't like it.
It is, it's so creepy in here. Well, it's called Creepy Cottage, so.
It's too quiet. That's why I don't trust it.
God, it is. Man, allow me. Creepy Cottage was great as every single year. It really does live up to its name as Creepy Cottage. It is so eerie and creepy in there. There's barely any audio, but it's so good. So we're now in the Coven of 13. Let's go. So smoggy in here. Oh God. Oh, right. Open it. Oh my gosh. Quickly, Nick, just explain to the viewers, we're in Coven of 13, but what is this?
It's scary. It's an old apple orchard, I think, but there's so many scary people about. It's amazing.
Oh gosh. The Coven of 13 never fails to impress me. Really strong maze based on witchcraft and a coven of witches. So unfortunately that is all from Tulleys Shocktober Fest. A big thank you to Tulleys and Ed Hopkins PR for inviting us down, gifting us the tickets and giving us this opportunity. It has been